Okay, so A is a matrix, this, and B is a 2 by 2 matrix such that AB plus I is equal to 2A, where I is the identity matrix. Find the sum of the elements of B. Okay, so first off, we can, let's write out 2A. 2A is equal to negative 3, 4, 4, negative 6, and then 2A minus I is equal to I is 1, 0, 0, 1. So it's negative 3, negative 3, 4, 4, negative 6. Again, I told this before, I don't know matrices. So what I did here is I just subtracted I. I don't even know if I'm allowed to do that, but I'm going to try. At minus 1, 0, 0, 1. I don't know if you can just subtract normally, but I'm just going to try. I'm just going to say this is equal to negative 4, 4, 4, negative 7, probably. So now we know that if we call this, okay, so this is negative 3 over 2, 2, 2, negative 3, times, then the elements here will be A, B, C, D, equals negative 4, 4, 4, negative 7. Okay, matrix multiplication. The first element here is equal to, it's like this times this, I think. It's like this times this plus this times this. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. So negative 3 over 2c plus, or negative 3 over 2a plus 2c here is okay, so now for this one it's probably the same thing but b, so it's going to be negative 3 over 2b plus 2d, and here's probably the same thing, or no, different row, so it's going to be 2a minus 3c, and here's going to be 2b minus 3d. Okay, so now we just have a big system of equations, I think. So negative 4 is equal to negative 3 over 2a plus 2c. Okay. Okay, so then this one just also uses c, so a and c. So 4 is equal to 2a minus 3c. Just make this negative, so then we say negative 3 over 2a plus 2c is equal to 3c minus 2a. Subtract this from both sides, we get c. Add this to both sides, we get 1/2 a is equal to c. Uh-oh. Oh, and then we could just plug this back in to solve. So, plug this in here, negative 4 is equal to, or I could just, I'll plug it in there. I don't know. Negative 4 is equal to 3 over 2a plus, and it's just going to be, plug this in here, it's going to be a. So negative 4 is equal to 5 over 2a. Multiply with 2, so negative 8 over 2 is equal to negative 8 over 5 is equal to a, which makes c 4 is equal to, it's going to be negative 16 over 5 plus minus 3c. So add this to both sides, we get, so it's going to be 20 over 5 plus 16 over 5. It's going to be 36 over 5 is equal to negative 3c. Divide by 3, we get negative 12 over 5 is equal to c. So a plus c is equal to negative 20 over 5 is equal to negative 4. Okay, now we need to find b and d. So negative 3 over 2b plus 2d is equal to negative 4, or is equal to positive 4. 2b minus 3d is equal to positive 7, or negative 7. Oops. So, okay. I'm just gonna set these equal to each other, so negative 3 over 2b plus 2d minus 4 is equal to 2b minus 3d plus 7. So we get subtract, this is, or I guess add this to both sides. This is 4 over 4, this is, so it's going to be 5d is equal to 7 over 2b plus 11. So d is equal to 7 over 10b plus 55. Oh my god. Okay, so 2b minus 3 times 7 over 10 plus 55 is equal to negative 7. Okay, so 2b minus 21 over 10b minus 3 times 55 is 165 is equal to negative 7. Okay, so this is negative 110 b is equal to, add this to both sides, 158. So b is equal to 1580. That means that d is equal to 7 times 158 plus 55. So d is equal to, that's going to be 700 plus 350 is 1050 plus 56 is 1106 plus, so okay, I'm going to write this out, 700 plus 350, just to make it easier for you guys, 56, we get 610 plus 55, we get 11611. That's untrue. That is, oh yeah, this is 55. Oh no, I just did it wrong. Yep. Okay, 11611. So our answer, sum is equal to 1580 plus 1161, right? Minus 4 is equal to 2741 minus 4 is equal to 2737. Let me check. So I wasn't even remotely close. It was like 21. What they did is they subtracted I from both sides, which you could do, and then they said AB is equal to 2A minus I, So they said b is equal to a negative 1 of 2a minus I. So they said b is equal to 2a inverse minus a inverse I. So b is equal to 2i, wait, let me check. Yeah, 2i minus a inverse, and then they somehow found the inverse of a using the determinant. I think it might be like 1 over the determinant times like dA negative b negative c or something like that. I don't know. They use some formula to find the inverse, and then they plug that in here to get the actual b. So I didn't do it even remotely correct, but I believe the way I did it, you could use it. I'm not entirely sure. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.